In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Baserow to N8N. First things first, the task at hand is fairly straightforward, but it requires careful attention to each step to ensure a smooth setup. So, let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to head over to the Credentials section within N8N. This is a crucial step because it's where you'll establish a secure and authenticated connection between your N8N workflow automation and Baserow, a platform that allows you to manage data in a collaborative and efficient manner. In the Credentials section, look for the option to create something new, and from the drop-down menu, select Baserow API. Selecting Baserow API will initiate the process of inputting various essential details to solidify your connection. Now, once you've selected Baserow API, you'll encounter a series of fields that need your attention. Let's focus on the host field first. If you're utilizing the hosted version of Baserow, you can just leave the host as it is, with the default URL pointing to https://api.baserow.io. This URL acts as the bridge between N8N and Baserow's hosted environment. However, if you're managing a self-hosted version of Baserow, be sure to replace this with your personalized API URL. This step is important to ensure that your custom configurations are taken into account and that data flows smoothly between N8N and your version of Baserow. Next, let's tackle the username and password fields. Here, you'll input your Baserow user login credentials. It's vital to use the correct credentials here to allow N8N the proper permissions to interact with your Baserow data seamlessly. Be precise and double-check to make sure there are no typos, as we want to ensure the connection is established properly without any hitches. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, it's time to save the credential settings. Saving them effectively powers your Baserow node authentication within N8N. This means you've authoritatively linked up both platforms so they can communicate and function together effectively in your automated workflows. This crucial step also ensures that any automation you set up in N8N can freely and securely access the data residing within Baserow. And there you have it. Your Baserow and N8N are all set to work hand in hand. Remember, attention to detail is key here. Review your input to make sure everything is correct. With that complete, you're now ready to explore all the possibilities and applications this integration has to offer. Whether it's streamlining processes or managing your data in innovative ways, this connection opens up a world of efficiency. Thanks for tuning in and happy automating.